All right, and we are live, guys. I didn't mean to hit that button, but all right, I guess let's get started. So, thank you guys so much for being here. Before we even get started, make sure you guys like the live and subscribe as well. Where is it? Live, and then click here. Oh shoot! All right, there we go. My bad if you guys hear anything in the background, but like I said, make sure you guys like the live and then subscribe to me on YouTube as well if you're not subscribed already. And then I also do have a paid Discord group, and please do not join this if this is like your last $100 because this is more of like get rich slow. So please don't click on this unless you're really in this for like the long term. But also, obviously, subscribe to the YouTube channel. And then the best place to reach out to me would be through Instagram. So if you do need to get in touch with me, message me on Instagram because on there I can see like every message that everyone sends me. So message me on there. Twitter, I don't really use that much to be honest with you guys, but TikTok is where I post the most content, and then Threads is just whenever you want to see like how I'm doing in the market. And then also, if you have not started investing, make sure you guys check out Robinhood and then Webull. So Webull, they give you 4 free stocks, but you do have to deposit more than I think it's a penny or something like that. And then Robinhood, you automatically get a free stock. So make sure you guys use these links so then you guys can get free stocks and free shares of companies. But okay, guys, let's get into it. This is one of the stocks that I was looking at earlier, but as you guys can see, they're not exactly doing too well. They're losing a lot of money and they're diluting you as the shareholder. So that honestly, I'm already like, nah, I'm good. And this is something one of the other people brought up. But all right, here's the portfolio for today. And give me 1 second, guys. So obviously that's what we're going to talk about is how is the portfolio doing today. So honestly, I don't know why I was expecting the market to be red today, but thankfully it actually wasn't. I did get out of my put credit spreads earlier on the QQQ because I don't know why I'm like, there's no way the market can just keep going up, but thankfully it did. And then I was actually thinking about selling or doing a credit spread, a call credit spread for tomorrow. But I don't want to bet against the market, so I'm deciding not to do it because, like, I was thinking about it, but I'm like, what if the market just like keeps going up? And I personally do not want to be a bear, because I want to think that the market's just going to keep going up. But here's some of the options that I have running. The more risky ones are obviously these credit spreads. So I have this NVIDIA one. This is a call credit spread, and then I have a target put credit spread. So these are not doing too hot right now, but we'll have to wait until the 28th to see how they're doing. And then I have some sell puts on Alibaba, Mara, what else? On Coinbase. Let's see what else. And I think that's it. And I have some covered calls on Palantir, PayPal, Target, and then last one is Enphase. So everything is like going up in the market. I'm like, oh shoot. But I do have these covered calls. They are going against me a little bit because this one I have to roll out as soon as my computer loads. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me exit out of this. Oh, all right. Which one was I doing? I don't remember which one I was doing, but let me read you some of you guys' comments really quick. Just doing dividends for now. I want to learn new strategies. I got you, dude. Welcome, welcome, Gabe. Do you invest in multiple TIB dividend stocks or just a few? Mostly ETFs. Fire. What's up, dude? Thank you guys so much for joining the live. Honestly, what's your preferred SCHD versus PEY? Personally, dude, I like SCHD more. I was thinking about putting it into my portfolio, and I did for a little bit, but I don't know, dude. It's just like I think growth is gonna be the thing for me. Um, what's what's on your Discord? It's just all of the plays um before I even like show it out to the YouTube channel. Damn, my bad, guys. I was just on TikTok live a little bit earlier, so that's why my voice is like starting to give out. Um, and then also You can ask me questions on there because obviously, like, if you're gonna message me on Instagram or like comment on here, it's gonna take me a little bit longer. But if you're on my Discord, since you did pay, you'll be first priority to like anything. But yeah, bro, add the Discord. But oh, I remember you, dude. Okay, for sure. I will after I'm done with the live. I'm completely new to this. Thank you for showing us. Nadir, thank you for joining because, like I said before, there are, I don't know if you guys seen this, but the AI NPCs, I was like, what is this? Personally, I blocked them all because I was like, I was a little bit frustrated. Like, how are people getting this money for just like, I remember there was a girl popping popcorn with what's it called, with like a strainer or something like that, and I was like, how are these people making money and why are people sending them money? um but I just blocked them because I was like, there's no point of me spending my energy and time into something that I cannot change. I'm like, I mean, like what am I supposed to do? But yeah, let's just take a look at how I'm doing. So that doesn't really count, but here we go. I'm up 2.4K as of today. For the 1 week, I am up 8.7K. For the 1 month, I'm up 16.4K. Within the 3 months, I'm up 28.2K. And then year to date, I'm up 28.3K. For the 1 year, I'm up 26.5K. And then for the all time, I am up 20.6K. So that's how the portfolio is looking for right now. Let me know if you guys have any specific questions on like any stocks or anything you guys want me to like go over. But here's everything that I hold. So there's Palantir, PayPal, Target, and then Enphase. So far, um, Target has been around the same, but I think investors are waiting until the what's it called, until their earnings report. And I don't know when Target earning report. Maybe I should put one. Target's earning report. 8/16. So we still have like a whole month until that comes out, but I'm pretty sure investors are waiting until that happens. Um, do you have any? Do you have in a call to put option shut out before closing for the Discord site, or what are you talking about? Like for me, um, I usually only close the trades if I think that it's gonna go against me. So like, there was I closed it actually a little bit too early, but there was this one on Nvidia last week. Um, where is it? Where is? Hold on, let me look for it. Show more, show more, show more. Here we go. So I did a call credit spread on Nvidia, and like when I bought these, like the strike price is 485. So as long as it stays 485 and under, I'll be keeping all the premium. But on Friday, Nvidia actually went up quite a lot, so I got kind of scared of it. So I closed out of it. And then looking back at it now, it actually like it went up and then it like came tumbling down. So like I didn't know it was gonna come back down because I thought the market was just gonna like keep going up. So I was like, so I got out of this one, and then I did another one today, but this one's like even more out of the money. So this one's at 525 and the other one was at 485. So I think Nvidia had to go up like, let me do the math again. 1 second. So I can tell you exactly how much Nvidia needs to go up. So mine is 525. Nvidia. So Nvidia has to, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but Nvidia has to go up at least 12% in order for me to start losing money. So like I said, as long as it stays under 525 and below that, then I'll be making money with my call credit spread on Nvidia. And then I did lose some money on it like this past one that I did, but I'm gonna recover some of it back. So it's all good to be honest with you. But let me see what else is new on the portfolio. I did do this PayPal Leap. Um, And the reason why I did that one is because I don't have that many. I didn't have that much money left, so I was like, ah, shoot, I'm gonna have to do. I'm either gonna have to like go more into margin, or I can just do this leap, and then let me see how much it would cost me right now. So right now it would cost me $11,200 for do 4 contracts, and I think it's as long as the stock stays over $88, then I'll be making all of my money back. And then if it goes above that, I'll be making way more than that. But I'm also selling covered calls on it, so I'm gonna make money from the leap and as well as making money from the covered call. So I did this one, and then I also have another covered call that's at $74. But I did this one. I'm not gonna make as much money because I really don't want it to go like into the money into this covered call, because then like what I've noticed is once the stock starts to run, it starts to run a lot. So um that's why I did a $77 covered call on it, and then that is expiring this week. So if I were to wanted to do another one for next week, I could buy that one and then do. I could probably do the $78 one. I'll be getting a $20 net credit, and if I did 4 of these contracts, I would be getting $84. So I'm actually making money from the leap and then as well as the covered call. But just remember that the the leap does expire on 12/19/2025. So it actually has to be $88 and above in order for me to make money on this play right here. But like I said, I can keep getting premium from the covered call, this one right here. So this one, I think I only got like $84, no, $64, which isn't a lot of money, but I am using a little bit of leverage with call options. But let me know any more questions, comments, or anything that you guys want me to touch on. And then these, like the Bitcoin miners and Coinbase, have all been doing amazing. So it's actually kind of healthy that it's been having a little bit of a pullback, because the highs were at 1931 and now it's at like 1728. So that's like a whole $2 off. Where is it? But I'm hoping that this doesn't keep going down. But if it does, I can always roll this position to the right and down. So 1650, and then if I wanted to do that one, I would be getting $510 in credit, which is honestly a lot of money. Or I can move it down a little bit and get $290 worth of credit. Or if I want to get $90, I can do this one. But yeah, there's that, and then the Coinbase one as well. This one, Coinbase has been going up a lot, but honestly, the same thing with this one. This one is at a $90 um, cash secured put. So as long as it stays above $90, this one will be all good. But if I wanted to roll out this position, I could do that. 90. So I would be getting paid even more, actually. $422 for one contract. That is honestly insane. I don't know where you can make this type of money doing this. Honestly, that's crazy. I didn't even look at that, but there have been some positions that have been going against me. Like this covered call, I know for sure I have to like roll it to the right and up, because was it this one again? Shoot. Maybe I have to do it on my phone. Hold on, guys. But actually, I'll probably do it after this. After this live goes, I'll probably have to roll this one to the right and up, or this one, I mean, and then target getting a lot of money from that one. And then if I wanted to sell another covered call on this one, I would be getting a lot of money as well. Like how much premium target gives you, 135. So I'm gonna be getting $159 in premium. Did you have any meta calls? No, dude. Unfortunately, like after I didn't start getting into like the stock market like for real until like maybe 3 months ago. Like before that, I was in the market, but I was doing more like dividend stocks and like monthly dividend payers, because honestly, that's what I was really into. But now I'm like, dividends right now isn't the way to go. It's more about growth, um, and just like learning as much as possible. So honestly, that's what I've been doing, and then I've been putting some of my money at risk, doing credit spreads. But I'm actually not doing as many credit spreads, just because one bad move can honestly ruin your portfolio. So I'm like, I'm gonna just keep it nice and simple. I'm just gonna sell calls and puts and do credit spreads like once in a while when I can see like a very good position. Like this Nvidia one, I was like, there's no way that Nvidia is gonna hit 525 within just like 2 weeks, basically. Of course it can happen, but it's very like unlikely. And then I don't think Target's gonna hit 124 within 2 weeks. Of course, it's always like it's a possibility that it could happen, but personally, I don't think it's likely to do that. And then also, you do need a lot of money for you to like sell puts on Target and where is it, Nvidia. So you need like this one. You need like 40, like we'll say like 46K for you to do um a sell put, and then Target you need 12 point basically like 12.4K for you to do that. What is a spread? Here, I'll show you what a spread is. Um, so let's take a look at Nvidia, for example. So right now, Nvidia is trading at 463. So there's two different types of spreads. So there's the call credit spread and the put credit spread. So right now I'm doing a call credit spread because let's see, I'll show you on the options chain, Nvidia, and then trade options, sell a call. And then, of course, you have to choose your expiration date. And for me, I did it on July 28th. And then the two contracts that I did was I did a sell call on 525, and then I bought the 530. I bought this call, and then that makes the spread right here. So I'm gonna get a net credit of like $29, give or take. So as long as like you can even see it from the chart here. So as long as Nvidia stays $525 and under, then I'm gonna be like I get to keep all the premium, well, all of the credit. I mean, but if it starts going against you, so like my break even price is 525.32, and then anything under that, you start losing money. But um, just like with options, you can close this option at whenever you want. So like for me, I would probably start closing this option probably if it started going to like 500, because then it would start like getting closer and closer to the money. And for me, what I've learned is you have to like close your spreads as early as possible, or else you're gonna start losing a lot of money. Like speaking from personal experience, like from the 3 months that I've been doing this, like these big drops have been, they came from when I decided not to sell out of what's it called, a credit spread. So like I went from 159 point basically 160 to 157. That's because I decided not to close out a spread. Same thing with this, and then same thing with this one. This one was a lot more extreme, but yeah, this one I decided not to sell them out, and I did get burned for that. Um, like sometimes it does go against me, and then I like sell out, and then it like goes the opposite way. But I'd rather be like safe than sorry, because that Nvidia like call credit spread can easily go against me. So like the more and more that it goes against you, like the more and more money you'll lose. With obviously with this, if it does go like the right way, you'll be making like a lot of money. Like for me, I've done close to 18% within these past 3 months just because I was doing credit spreads. But now that I know that, um, like now I'm taking on way more risk, I'm like, I don't really want to do that anymore. I'd rather just sell calls and puts and then get like less premium, but I just want to make sure that I don't lose all my money to be 1,000% with you. Um, but yeah, guys, any more questions, comments, concerns, or anything before I go? I know this is a little bit of a shorter live, but let me know. Do you guys have any more questions, comments, or does anybody want to hop on the live with me? Because I do have a link if anybody does want to show me their portfolio or whatever you exactly want to show us. And then here's the link right here if you guys do want to join up. Nobody has ever joined me, so I'm really not expecting anybody to join me. Um, but yeah, guys, if not, any more questions, comments, concerns, or anything. Also, don't forget to follow me on the social medias, guys. I usually I post on Instagram whenever I'm about to go live. So like it's been an hour since I posted, but yeah, I pretty much always post before I'm gonna go live. But alright, guys, it doesn't look like you guys have any more questions, comments, concerns, or anything. So if anything does come up, or if you guys do have any questions or anything else, you guys can always message me on Instagram, and it's at the also tree, like all of the social medias. But okay, guys, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I guess I'll see you guys later. Peace out, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow around the same time. Peace out, guys. Thank you.